Are you afraid to use good music for your content because of copyrights? And then in this video, I will show you a AI website called Uppbeat that have various copyright free music and sound effects. So let's dive into the video. At first, go to your browser and search uppbeat.io. This website link is also attached in the description, so check it out. This is the interface of the website. Now you have to sign up to use. I am already signed up. The thing is, you can only download 3 music for each month by this free account. I think this is enough for beginners. But if you need more music to download, then feel free to upgrade it. Now I will show you a pricing for this website. If you really want it, then go premium. Otherwise, download your favorite 3 music and made your content. At first, you can search the music you want. For example, I choose beats. So let's try this music. You can also click music and choose your favorite music category like beats, moods, good vibes, etc. You can also download various sound effects by clicking sound effects section. Feel free to explore various sound effects and choose your sound effects like this. For example, I choose this sound effect. You can also download trending music to make your content viral. Click trending section and choose your music like this. For example, it seems like a good music, so I choose it. To download music, click download button and download the music like this. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech content. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask it on comment section. See you soon. Goodbye.